Hi, this is Vengadeshan, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. ஒழுக்கம் விழுப்பம் தரலாம் ஒழுக்கம் உயிரினும் ஓம்பப்படும் திருக்குறள். Dear students, now we are going to solve CSIR 2019 June question paper, especially in the part of physical chemistry in part C section. The question is, the chemical potential mu of an 2 molar sodium sulfate solution is expressed in the term of mean ionic activity coefficient. So in my previous videos I clearly explained what is meant by ionic activity and mean ionic activity coefficient. Here the solution is sodium sulfate. It is dissociate into 2 moles of Na plus SO4 2 minus. Here it is in 2m, here it is in single m. So because number of moles is 2, as we know that from the chemical potential mu equal to mu naught RT ln A. This A is called as activity. This A you can write as mean ionic activity as A plus or minus of this is nothing but x plus y, that is a number of moles. Here I written as that is in the number of moles. Substitute A value mu naught plus RT ln of A plus or minus of nu. Now we know that activity A is equal to nu into, that is that activity coefficient into molality. M is molality. By substituting molality into coefficient, activity coefficient, mu naught plus RT molality power, this is nothing but an x plus y. The x plus y is nothing but the number of moles. So by separating out, because by applying the log A into log B formula, you are getting as log A plus log B. That activity coefficient value is 2 plus 1 because in sodium sulfate is dissociate into 2 and sulfate is in the 1. So it is 2 plus 1, 3. The next step, how we are getting as this value. Now you can see here. So molality of cation and anion, we can separate out cation into anion. So cation power is 2. So molality of our sodium is 2m power 2 into, this is the sulfate one, so it is m power as 1. So this is 4m cube. The m value we know that because the question they are given us 2 moles. So it is 4 into 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 4, that is 32. Now substituting the 32 value, standard chemical potential plus RT ln of 32 plus RT, the coefficient power 3. Now mu naught plus RT, 32 we can write as 2 power 5 plus, this is you can write as log of x power A as x log A. So that is why 3 RT ln activity coefficient. Finally mu naught plus 5 RT ln 2 plus 3 RT ln activity coefficient. So this is the correct options. In question paper the option number is 1 is correct. Thank you.